Hi, I am Atanu. In this tutorial video, you learn Class 8 Chapter 6 Mathematics, Algebraic Expression and Identities. After watching this entire video, you will have clear understanding about the various terms and operation in this chapter, and you can start the exercise yourself. Let's start with the simple example. Minus 3 by 2 x square y. Okay, so in this example we learn, okay, just a minute, different terms used in this chapter. So first we learn this part. Okay, this part, minus 3 by 2. So this part is actually the constant. This part is constant. Okay, okay, because uh, this is the numerical value, we cannot change this value, and this part is called the variable. Okay, so minus 3 by 2 is the constant and x square y is the variable, and it is represented by the alphabet, that is, or a letter. So the name of this part is actually the literals. Literals. Clear? This is the alternate name. Okay, this is also called the literals or the variables, and this is the constant. Clear? And next, if simply asks what is the coefficient of this expression, so this is the algebraic expression. So algebraic expression contain what? Algebraic expression contain symbol, all symbol, all algebraic symbol, algebraic operating symbol, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. And second, it consists of the variable, and third is consist of the constant, and fourth is the power. Okay, and also it's consist of the sign. Okay, means constant also consist of the sign, plus or minus. Okay, so enter these things produce a algebraic expression. Clear? Produce algebraic expression. Okay, the algebraic expression comprise all these things. Okay, you have to remember all these things. This is the all part of the algebraic expression. So next we learn the terms. What is terms? Terms actually the individual part of the algebraic expression separated by the plus and minus. What that mean? Let's give you one example. 3x square y minus 4x plus 7. See, this is a algebraic expression. So earlier you have learned only 1 terms. Here it is 1 terms, okay, in the algebraic expression. Here it is the it has the 3 terms. Why? Because already I told you each terms, this is 1 terms, is separated by the symbol. So this is also a term and this is also a term, okay, include the symbol. Okay, so how many terms are there? And in this algebraic expression, so this entire thing is actually algebraic expression. Clear? And what are those terms? You must remember, always consider include symbol, sign. Symbol means sign, include sign also. So how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. One is 3x square y, another is minus 4x, another is 7. Clear? Here it is 3 terms. So this algebraic expression having the 3 terms separated by the plus and minus. Clear? So next we learn the coefficient. To learn the coefficient, let's consider our first example, that is minus 3 by 2 x square y. We take this example, minus 3 by 2 x square y. So before learn the coefficient, we should know the factors. We already know that if I told you what is the factor of 12, what are the factor of 12, so immediately what you have to do? To do the factorization. 6 and 3. So what are the factors? So factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Clear? These are the factor. Same concept applied here. So factors are actually, if I told you what are those factor of this number, there are so many factor. Example, minus 3 by 2, it is also factor, because this entire algebraic expression is divisible by minus 3 by 2. Clear? Because you can more split this expression into x into x into x into y, and next you write the different combination like this. Okay, so x also a factor, x square also factor, y also factor, and x square also factor. Clear? Minus 3 by 2 x also factor. Clear? So many factors are there. So before understanding the coefficient, you should have clear understanding of this factor. Now generally, if question asks what is the coefficient of this algebraic expression, minus 3 by 2 x square y, coefficient, what are these coefficient? So coefficient is actually what? Actually minus 3 by 2. If any variable or constant or factor not mentioned, then we consider minus 3 by 2 is a coefficient of this algebraic expression. We consider only the constant part with the sign. Clear? But in this example, for example, if I told you first you consider 3x square and y, Okay, 3x square y. So what is the coefficient of y? So y coefficient, you have to consider the concept of the from the factor, you have to consider uh, this part, only this part. Clear? The coefficient of the y is equal to 3 3x square. Clear? And normal coefficient, if not mention anything of this algebraic expression, equal to 3. And coefficient of, if I told you x square, the answer will be what is remain? 3y. Clear? And if also mention coefficient of x square y, then also the answer will be 3, like that. Clear? So how we get the coefficient? So you have to understand, in this algebraic expression, if the question asks the coefficient of some parts, then what remains parts are there, that will be the coefficient of that given part. Clear? Hope it is clear. Next we learn the like terms and unlike terms. So let's give you one example. Minus 3x square y and minus 2 by 5, sorry, it is plus 2 by 5 x y square. Okay, and another example is 5 x square y. So what are those like terms? Like terms actually find out the if the variables are same with the power. Okay, so this thing already we discussed here. What is the variable part? Just a minute. What happened? Oh, it's not working. Okay, here look at this. Here the variable, this is the variable part x square y. X square y is the literals or the variable parts. So when this variable parts with the power is same, so then they are the like term. So here only minus 3x square y and 5x square y actually having the same variable term. Okay, the same variable parts. So these two terms actually are the like terms. So like terms are what? Like terms are minus 3x square y and 5x square y. These pair terms are the like terms. Okay, so why the like terms is important to identify? Actually it is for the uh, addition and subtraction, to make the calculation easy. Okay, and group it we later we discuss. Clear? Next we learn the unlike terms. So what are those unlike terms? Unlike terms having the different variables means, look at this, x square y and xy square. So this pair actually the unlike term. So minus 3 x square y and 2 by 5 xy square are the unlike term. Again this pair also unlike term, means 2 by 5 xy square and 5 x square y. This is also the unlike term. Clear? So these are the unlike term. So one thing I forget to tell you, that to better understanding the coefficient, right? So you should understand that if there is a minus sign and question given that coefficient of above term is equal to what? You have to consider the minus also. This minus you have to consider with the constant. Clear? Next we learn the based on the number of terms, the algebraic expression can be classified as the monomial, binomial and trinomial. If the algebraic expression having the only one term, then it is called the monomial. And for example, -5, 2x, 3x, 3x square, these expressions, these all expression are the monomial. So what are the binomial? Binomial having the two terms. For example, 2x square plus 3x. Clear? And what is the trinomial? Trinomial having the three terms. For example, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2. Clear? Now we learn the operation of the algebraic expression. So first we learn the addition and subtraction. Let's take one example. So if the question given that add all this algebraic expression 3a square b plus 3ab square 2ab minus 5ab square and 4a square b. Clear? So there are the four algebraic expressions are there in the question. So this is one expression, this is another expression, this is another expression, this is another expression. So how you can do the algebraic operation? So simply you have to add together. Okay, the question is given the addition. Question is given addition. So what you have to do? You have to add all expression plus 2ab minus 5ab square plus 4a square b. Clear? Then what you have to do? You have to consider the here we have learned the why it is not moving? It is not moving. Like terms, right? You have learned the like terms. Okay, so this is the application of the like terms. So you have to identify the like terms. So I just color the like terms with the yellow. A square, the one kind of the yellow, another kind the different color. A square b, and here it is a square b. Correct? And another like terms are ab square, and this is also. Clear? So we have to group together the like term. Minus 3a square b plus 4a square b plus 3ab square minus 5ab square plus 2ab, because this ab having no pair, so keep at it is. Okay, then we have to add the constant term. take common a square b and add the constant term. Clear? Minus 3 plus 4 a square b plus 3 minus 5 ab square. So we separate the variable from the constant and calculate the constant part, 2ab. So finally we got the answer a square b. Here minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1, and here we got 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2 ab square plus 2ab. This is the correct answer. This way you can do the addition of multiple expression. Same method. How much complicated sums are there, you can get the correct result. Okay. Let's take one example of subtraction. Uh, subtract subtract 2 by x square from minus 8 by x square. How you can do that? It's very simple. So this is the subtraction. Okay, how you can do that? From this, so from this means you have to subtract from minus 8x square to 2x square. Clear? So you have to write the first left side minus 2x square, and here you minus 2x square here. Clear? So the answer will be, again you can do the calculation, because always remember the addition and subtraction always should be the like decimal. You must remember this, note it down. For addition and subtraction, okay, addition and subtraction, always calculate with like terms. Clear? Without like terms, calculation not possible. Okay, you cannot add or deduct something without like terms. Is it clear? So first you have to identify the like terms. If it is not like terms, then you can't do anything. Okay, clear? So here the answer will be what? Minus 8 plus 2, 10 x square. Clear? Although it is very small example, you can apply the same concept for the difficult question also. Just you clear your concept here. Okay, because the calculation part is yours. You have to practice lot to improve your calculation power, but concept is same. Okay, you have to identify the like terms only, group it together, then only do the calculation. So addition, subtraction can be together. You can do yourself. Clear? Let's take one example of the multiplication. So the question given that multiply minus 5 by 2 abc square with 6a square bc cube. Multiply it. How you can do that? First you write the algebraic expression. Here two expressions are there. Minus 5 by 2 abc square into minus 6a square bc cube. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just uh, group the all constant terms, constant parts, that is minus 5 by 2 into minus 6 with the sign, and separate the variable part abc square into a square bc cube. Now you have to simplify this, minus minus plus, and this is 3 with 15, and you know this formula. For example, if I told you am into an, you already learned m plus n. Clear? So answer will be what? A cube, b square, and c 5. Clear? A cube, b square, c 5 is the right answer. Okay. And for the division, let's take one example. Simply take this example. Let's do this division. How you can do that? You just write down the question, that is x square yz division minus 12 by 8 x y z square. Okay, this is the answer. Then what you have to do? Minus 3 by 2 x square yz divided by minus 12 by 8 x y z square. Clear? Next, what you have to do? Minus 3 by 2, we know that the division is the reciprocal of the multiplication, so you just reciprocal this value. 12 by 8 is equal to 8 by 12, and minus remains same, and here will be x square yz divided by x y z square. So here minus minus plus, so all cancel out, here. So that is 4, and 3 4 is 12, 12 cancel out, that is 1, and here also 1, and here it is. I can do that. You can simplify it. You can do like this. Here it is 2, so what you have to do, you just to remove it here, and y cancel out, and z, and here z cancel out. So what's remain here? You must do the calculation very carefully. So here it is 1, so no need to write anything, and here it is remain x, and here it is remain y only. So x y or x y minus 1 is the right answer. Clear? So you have learned the division also. Now we learn the horizontal and column method of the addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the long algebraic expression. So when the problem is a little bit complex or lengthy, then you can apply this to simplify method to get the result quickly. Yeah. Let's give you one example. First we take for the addition. Okay, addition. Explain it with some simple example. It could be more complex, but basics are same. You have to apply the same basic for solve this problem. A square b, 2ab square minus 3ab. Okay, how you can solve this question? So first we apply the horizontal method. Okay, so let's solve it. Horizontal means you simply side by side you add together. A square b minus, already you learned earlier, 5ab. Okay, this is one algebraic expression, and another expression is a square b plus 2ab square minus 3ab. Is it clear? Then what you have to do, already I told you, identify the like terms or simply remove the brackets. 3a square b minus 2ab plus 5ab plus a square b plus 2ab square minus 3ab. Then what you have to do, you have to uh, put together the like terms. For example, the here like terms a square b and find out the a square b here like this. Clear? So 3 plus 1 a square b, and here minus 2 and ab is there, any ab, yes, minus 3. So you add it and keep the minus inside the bracket, minus 3. Okay, and next variable part, you do this, you follow this technique actually, this techniques actually, so you can uh, you can avoid the mistake to handle the sign. Okay, so this is ab, and what remain, uh, this is actually, sorry, the a square b uh, ab square. Okay, this is the ab square. The question was a 5ab square. Okay, ab square. Clear? Clear? Next is ab square. Next is ab square term, that is what, 5, and ab square is here is how much, that is 2. 5 plus 2 ab square. Clear? So the final answer will be 4a square b, and this is minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus plus minus, so the answer will be 5ab plus 7ab square. Okay, clear? This is the right answer. Okay, now we learn the column method. Okay, so we learn the column method. Here we learn the horizontal method. So column method is that you have to write the it may be 2 3 5 4 5 expression, correct? Here only 2 expression is given, but same method can be applied for the 2 3 4 5. Okay, there is no limit, you can add all, no problem. How you can do that? A square b minus 2ab plus 5ab square. Now you have to, what you have to do, you have to keep the like terms under the like terms. What that mean? So you have to choose a square minus b here. Clear? And ab square here, 2ab square. Include the sign also, because here it is positive, so keep the positive here, ab square, and minus 3ab, and keep here minus 3ab. Clear? What I have done, I just group the all like terms. Okay, these all are the like terms. Clear? These all are the like terms. Clear? You must, it is very very important. Then what you have to do, you simply, you just draw a line and add it. Simply draw a line, just draw a line and add it. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so what will the value, 3 plus 1, it is what, 4, 4a square b, and minus 2 minus 3 is how much, 5ab, and that is 7ab square. You got the same answer. Clear? This answer, this answer same. So up to you, sometime horizontal method is applicable, and sometime if you think there is a more complex problem is there, then you can apply the column method, because column method is very easy to get the answer and you can avoid a lot of mistake also. But here you have to, you can, there is a chance to be doing a lot of mistake. So I suggest either you have to practice both, but you can do this also. You can, for you, my preference is this one, but I'm comfortable also horizontal also. You have to do a lot of practice with the horizontal also, because for sometime if the expression is very small, to get the quick result we do the horizontal method. But if it is something complex, it's maybe 3 or 4 columns are there, you just uh, keep the all like terms just the same column. Okay, all like term under the same column, then do the addition with the same method. So hope this method is clear. Next we learn the uh, subtraction method by the horizontal and the column method. Okay, subtraction by the horizontal and the column method. So let's take one example. Uh, so subtract a square b square, a square b square, no, a square b a square b a square b minus 3ab plus 2ab square from 3a square b minus 2ab plus 5ab square. The same terms used for the addition. Okay, but one thing you must consider, that is form. So this form actually the meaning that the second part actually come first. Okay, it will become first. So what you have to do, you have to do just first we do the horizontal method. Horizontal method. Okay, in the horizontal method how you can solve this problem? Same as the addition, only in between there will be the minus sign, correct? So first we write the a square b minus 2ab plus 5ab square, put it in bracket, this is the first expression, and minus a square b minus 3ab plus 2ab square. Clear? So what we have to do, 3a square b minus 2ab plus 5ab square. Then you must remember this minus 1 minus is actually minus 1 multiply all the inside terms. To remove the bracket we have to change the sign. So you know how to change the sign. This is the convention of the sign change. You know that plus minus, if we multiply you get the minus, minus plus also you get the minus, plus plus you get the plus, and minus minus you multiply you get the plus. Clear? So here minus, and if there is a no sign means it is plus, so minus plus minus. Okay, the first is minus, then minus and minus is plus, so plus 3ab, and plus minus minus 2ab square. Clear? Then identify what the, already I told you, every time addition and subtraction you group the like expression. The like expressions are a square b, and here where is the square b? Here, a square b. You just take this a square b here, left side. So 3 minus 1 a square b. You just separate the constant and variable. Then you follow the same method for the ab also. But here you must keep the plus here, and whatever sign minus you have to keep inside the bracket. Minus 2 and ab is what? Plus 3. Clear? And for the this is ab, and next is 5ab square, so it will be 5, and ab square is how much? Minus 2 ab square. Clear? Then what will be the right answer? That is 2 a square b. Okay, and here it will be minus 2 plus 3 is what? Is 1 ab plus 1, and 5 minus 2 plus 3 ab square. Clear? So this is the horizontal method. So uh, same result we can get from the column method also. Column method. Clear? Column method. Okay. So as per the addition, we arrange the algebraic expression as per the like terms. Already I just told you during the addition. A square b, this is the first expression, plus 5ab square, and just bottom of this column of 3a square b, you find out the like terms of the uh, like term of the second expression, that is a square b. Clear? So next is what you have to consider, 3ab, arrange it. It is already arranged, but sometimes you cannot get the arrange, you have to arrange it. Okay. So next what you have to do, 2ab square. Clear? But here one new thing we have to do, that is very important to understand, that is here it is actually plus. So you must know that any digit, suppose x, actually if x is means what, plus x. Clear? So we know that. So here it is plus, so we take the minus here, we change the sign. So it was plus, so change the sign minus. Here minus, change the sign plus, and here plus, change the minus. So deduction, subtract. You just doing the subtract here. That's why we change the sign. This is the rule actually. Why it's changed actually? Actually change due to the this reason. This reason during the horizontal method we change the sign. That is the reason actually. Whatever inside value having sign, we change it. For example, it is plus, so we change here minus. If it is minus, then change plus. Plus, minus. That is the reason. Actually logically it is the same. Actually we are just applying here the horizontal method, but logics are same. We have to change the sign of the second all terms. Clear? Got it? So what will be the right answer? 3 minus 1, that is 2 a square b, and here it will be plus 3 and minus 2, that is ab, and 5 minus 2, that will be 3 ab square. Clear? We got the same answer. So hope it is easy to understand. Sorry, it is not that much difficult, and already I told you we just try to apply the second method when the expression is large, and but practice first method also, because it is very quickly you can get the result for the small expression calculation. Correct? So the both column and horizontal and column method we learn for the addition and subtraction. Then we learn the multiplication, the different way of the multiplication. Okay. So means there are also two ways we can solve it. Let's take one example. So let's multiply 6x minus 4x square y by half xy. Clear? So first we apply the horizontal method. Okay. So we have to apply the distributive law, that is 6x minus 4x square y into that is given half xy. Okay, this multiplication given. So in place of the by we can write as the multiplication. Okay, so then we just distributive law, apply the distributive law. We just first multiply 6x into half xy, and next we multiply 4x square y into half xy. Clear? Next we have to do, what we have to do, you just multiply the constant term 6 into half and variable term separately. Okay, minus 4 into half x square y into xy. Clear? Here it will be what, 2 and 6, so it will be 3 and it will be 2. So we get the result 3 and x square y. From where we get it, because we know that the formula of a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So power actually add during the multiplication if the base are same. Clear? So it will be x into xy is actually, here power is 1 and here power is 1, that is 2 and y. Clear? And here we get, after simplify, this 2 and x is what, 2 plus 1 3 and y is 1 plus 1 y square. That is the correct answer. So this is the horizontal method of the multiplication. The next we learn the column method. Okay, column method. So what is the column method? To solve it, first we write the question 6x minus 4x square y into half xy. So what we have to do, we simply multiply. So it will be what, directly you can do the multiplication, you can do rough here also, because 6 into half is what, 3. 6 into half is what, that is 3, you can write. Okay, that is 3 and x is, and here is another x, so x square, and next is what, next is y, and here you multiply minus, so 4 half is equal to 2 and x cube y square. So here one thing you must remember, the second terms, the second expression is actually the having the 1 terms. If there is a 2 terms, what you have to do, you have to do the okay, let's take one example, otherwise it will be, maybe it will be difficult to solve for you. Let's take one example, the when the algebraic expression or the multiplication both expression having the 2 terms. For example, let's take one question, that is 2a plus 3b multiply with what, a minus 5b. Clear? So how we can do that? First we do the horizontal method. TL. Okay, 2a plus 3b a minus 5b. How we can do that? First we have to consider 2a, then you multiply into a minus 5b. Next what to do, you consider this plus actually it is here, this plus it is here. Clear? Then if it is minus, then this highlighted will be the minus. If there is a minus, it will be minus. Clear? So next it will be what, sorry, 3b a minus 5b. Clear? A minus 5b. Next is what, 2a into 2a into a minus 5b plus 3b into a minus 5b. Okay, so next what you have to do, you have to simplify this. 2a square minus 10ab plus 3ab minus 15b square. Clear? The answer will be what? 2a square minus 10 minus 3. This is what? Again it is like term, so we can do addition and subtraction also. So it will be minus 10 plus 3 is how much? Minus 10, it is minus 7 ab minus 15 b square. Now do the column method. Okay, column method. COLUMN column METHOD column method. Okay, how you can do that? First you write the question 2a plus 3b and here it is a minus 5b. It is the multiplication. Okay, we've done it. Clear? Then what you have to do? You multiply 2a plus 3b with a. Then it will be what? 2a square plus 3ab. And next thing is that you must remember this. You have to for the addition and subtraction, what we have done for the column method, we put the we keep the like terms into the same column. Clear? We follow the same method because after addition ultimately we have to do the addition. Okay, then minus 5b into 2b is how much? Minus 10ab. Why it is considered under this ab? Because they are the like terms. It is clear? And next is minus and next is b square. So there is no b square, so we have to keep it separately because we cannot take the under 2a square actually any b square term, because if it is, if there is no terms after multiplication, sorry, we cannot, we no need to consider, need to consider any value. Clear? Then it will be what? It will be plus sorry, it will be minus 10ab into minus 15 b square. Clear? Then you add. If you add here, what value we get? 2a square, 2a square, and 3 minus 10 is how much? Minus 7 ab minus 15 b square. Hope it is clear. The both horizontal and the column method answer are same. Now you may get this kind of the question where you have to multiply to get the value, find the value. For example, find the value. This is one kind of question. Find the value. Find the value of 2a plus 3b by a minus 5b. Okay, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, for example. So how we can solve this? This is the question. So what you have to do? First you multiply. The step 1, you either you follow the horizontal method or column method. Step 1, you multiply it as per the above method. You get the value 2a plus 3b into a minus 5b. We get the value what? 2a square minus 7ab minus 15b square. Next we put the value a is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 what? Into 0, and here it is also 0, minus 15 into b square means 1 square. Okay, then minus, then it is 0 minus 15, 1 square is 1, so minus 15. So minus 15 is the right answer. Clear? Minus 15 is the right answer. Clear? Put a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. Okay, we get this value minus 15. So you can solve this after doing the calculation of any calculation. It could be addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, anything. So you cannot you can find out the value. So after you simplify this, solve it, next you put the value and get the solution. Clear? So this is the simplify. This is first you simplify this. Simplify first. You have to first simplify. Then you just put the value. Clear? Is it okay? Next we learn the division. Okay, and the division. So if the question is like this, for example, uh, divide divide 9a square b by minus 3ab. What will be the answer? You can do this. First you write the question, a square b divide minus 3ab. Okay, keep it bracket. Okay, then what you have to do, a square b, you just okay, a square b divided by minus 3ab. Clear? Minus 3ab. So then you already know that the denominator minus numerator minus is no different. So put the minus here and you simplify it. After simplification you get what? 3 3 ja 9. Okay, and this part you can do the two ways. Either you can deduct from the square the power from the numerator power from the denominator power, because we know that rule is a to the power m, a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. You can do this, or you can do the just cancel out. For example, if it is a, then you cancel it 2, and if b, cancel it. Okay, this method you can do, but sometime it is looking not good, you can do mistake. So answer will be what? Answer will be minus 3a. Either you can do, or you can do like this, same calculation, it will be very clean. For example, 9 a square b by minus 3ab. What you can do that? First you do the calculation of 9 by 3, and here 2 minus 1 into b, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So you get what? Here 3. So minus 3 a or b to the power 0. Something to the power 0 is equal to how much? 0 is equal to minus 3a into 1. So minus 3a. Okay, it is up to you, but don't do any mistake. For any means if your answer is not clean, then there will be chances to doing mistake. So keep your answer sheet clean. Okay, neat and clean, so you get the correct answer easily. Otherwise you can do lot of mistake. Okay, so you can follow this calculation type also, or this above type also, this type also you can do this. It is up to you. Okay, and the second type of the example is, if the question given that divide sorry, 2 2x square 2x cube 2x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 2 by 2x plus 3. So how you can do that? This is the question. Okay, this is the question. The two expression given for the division. So you follow this method. Follow this method. Sorry. Okay. Okay. How you can do that? The answer will be like this. This is the divisor. You follow the division method. Okay. Algebraic division method. Here it will be 2x cube. The power should be on the this side. 2x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 2. Clear? Then what you have to do? You just check it. Here we consider the quotient. We have to multiply something with 2x, and that could be constant or variable and constant variable also, to match this entire expression. Not it is the part of the expression, means this term, this entire term, we have to match this with this term. Means 2x should be, something should be multiply 2x to get the 2x cube. So what it would be? It would be x square. Clear? Because if we multiply 2x into x square, we get what? 2x cube. So it is same. Why it is so important? Just explain to you. When do the next step, it will be very clear to you. It will be 2x cube plus 3x square. Okay, got it? So we know that the division, here we do the subtraction. So next you follow the subtraction method. What is that method? Method is very simple. You know that here is plus, so it will be minus. Here is plus, it will be minus. The subtraction method. Clear? So it is cancel out. 2x cube minus 2x cube is cancel each other. And what remain? It is minus 3 plus 2 is how much? Is minus 2x square. Okay. Next what? We just drop this next term, that is 5x minus 5x. Clear? Minus 5x. Okay. Next, again we have to choose that particular value with sign also. You must remember, we have to match this entire term, include the minus, because every term already told you we have to include the, we have to consider the minus also. So we have to choose what of this in this quotient, so that after multiplication with 2x we get the minus 2x square. So it will be what? Minus x. It will be minus x, because 2x into minus x, if we multiply together we get minus 2x square. Is it clear? So 2x square we got it. So now it is remain the same. Next what? Minus x and 3. Minus 6 and 3 is how much? 3x. Clear? Is it okay? Next, what you have to do? You just subtract it. So here minus mean plus, minus mean plus. So it is cancel out. And what remain here? 5 minus 5 plus 3. So minus 2x. And next drop the minus 2. Then you check it. Here it is 2x and here it is minus 2x. So we have to simply minus 1. We get minus 2x and minus 3. And it will be again plus and will be plus. Cancel out. then here we get what? 1. So this is the answer. This is remainder, this is a remainder, and this is quotient. These are the two answers. Okay, x square minus x minus 1 is the quotient and remainder is 1. This is the simplest way to do the division. Okay, if you follow this step and with very clean way, then automatically you get the correct answer. And what kind of the things you must follow? That is, you must maintain the column and then change the sign, and always always choose some quotient, so that after multiplication of this first term with the quotient, we get this same, include the sign. This thing you have to remember. You practice it at home. How much you practice will be so comfortable to do this exercise. Clear? Is it clear? Now we learn few algebraic identities which we can apply for the operation of the algebraic expression, and by applying these algebraic identities, the calculation will be easy and fast. Okay, so what are those identity mostly used for the algebraic operation? That's are a plus b whole square. You know that a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? And next is a minus b whole square. It is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. And next is a plus b into a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. Clear? So I give you more example where we can apply these algebraic identities. Okay, let's start with some simple example how we can apply the algebraic identities. Okay, so the first question is find out the value of to simplify, not the value, simplify this expression. Okay, I can do that. This is the expression. Find each of the following the products. Okay, clear? So answer will be, you apply a plus b whole square, x square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y plus 3y whole square. We apply the first formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. The multiply sign also, no problem. So 4x square plus 2 to the 4, 3 4 ja 12 xy. Okay, and it will be 9y square. Similarly, if it is minus, we also do this 2x minus 3y. This is the second question, here whole square. I can solve this 2x square minus a square minus 2ab, 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Always remember, if there are two in the same term, there are the two items, then always keep in the bracket. Okay, clear? So what will be the right answer? 4x square plus so it will be, sorry, it will be minus, it will be minus 12xy plus 9y square. This is the correct answer. Clear? And third question, if it is like that, 2x plus 3y multiply 2x minus 3y. Okay, I can solve this. The answer will be like this: 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. What you have to do? A plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. A square minus 3y whole square. Clear? A square minus b square. Okay. 4x square minus 9y square. Okay. Applying a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Clear? Okay. You can do this. Now try this another question. Find out the value of 14.7 into 15.3. By looking this value, you have to identify the which algebraic expression means identity we can apply to solve this easily. Okay. So you have to find out. Okay. how we can how we can do that. So you rearrange it 8.3 as the first position, then it is the second position. Okay. So then you 15 plus 0.3 and multiply 15 minus 0.3. So it is actually if you practice lot, then automatically you can identify how you can do this, which value you just choose for this addition and subtraction to get the a plus b into a minus b. Since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so you can write down here 15 square minus 0.3 square. Okay, clear? So actually I uploaded the video how easily we can find out the 15 square. You can check it, my playlist. Okay, so 15 square actually here it is 1, so you multiply 2 and 5 is 25, so 225. Okay, minus 339, but you 0 shifting the left side when 09, 2 position for one multiplication, 1 position, second multiplication for the another second position left side. Okay, clear? So then it is 1, it is 9, then it is what, 1 and 4 and 2 to 4.91. Clear? So this is the correct answer. So by applying the algebraic expression, you easily can solve this question. Now I forget to tell you, we have to know the another algebraic expression, that is algebraic identity, that is a square plus b square. Okay, then a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Clear? So let's solve this question. What is the question? Question is if x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. What will the value? This is the question. Clear? This is the question. How you can answer this question? So by applying the algebraic identity formula, that is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, we know that a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Clear? So from here we get x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Clear? So it is cancel out. So x plus 1 by x is equal to what? 5 square minus 2, so 25 minus 2, so 23 is the right answer. Clear? So what I want to tell you, it is not possible to cover each and every question of the exercise. Mostly I cover. uh, if you have any doubt, you just comments below, or you contact me with the in WhatsApp. uh, this tutorial video is actually for your clear understanding and strengthen your base, so that you can solve the exercise yourself, practice at home. And for the, if you face any difficulties, you can comments below and join my Telegram channels and contact me in my WhatsApp. I have also the online coaching class also I take for the basic to advanced level teaching. Okay, you can join this course. uh, it is very minimum fees. Okay. Okay, please subscribe this channel and like this video, so that it can grow, and also share to your friends. Okay, so this time, thank you. See you for the next video. Okay, thank you very much.